In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a QR code for Calendly so people can easily book time with you just by pointing their phone at a code. We'll keep it simple, clear, and beginner friendly. And by the end, you'll have a QR code you can use on business cards, flyers, email signatures, or anywhere else you like. First, you'll need your unique Calendly scheduling link. Go ahead and sign into your Calendly account in your web browser. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the event type you want people to be able to book. This might be something like a 15-minute meeting, a discovery call, or a one-on-one session. Each event type has its own link, so choose the one that makes sense for how you want people to schedule with you. When you've found the right event, open it and locate the share or copy link option. Calendly usually shows the full URL for that event, along with a button you can click to copy it. Click that button so the link is copied to your clipboard. If you prefer, you can also highlight the link manually and use your browser's copy function. The important thing is that you have the full Calendly link ready to paste in the next step. Now that you have your Calendly link, you're ready to turn it into a QR code. To do that, you'll use an online QR code generator. There are many free and high quality generators available. You can search for QR code generator in your browser and pick one that looks reputable and secure. Look for a site that doesn't force you to create an account just to generate a basic code, and ideally one that clearly labels the link or URL option. Once you're on the QR code generator site, find the area where you can paste a website link or URL. Click in that box and paste the Calendly link you copied earlier. Take a quick second to double check that the link looks correct and complete. It should match what you saw in Calendly with no extra spaces or missing characters. If the generator offers options like changing the color or adding a logo, you can adjust those if you want, but you can also leave everything at the default settings for a clean, simple code that scans reliably. After pasting your link and choosing any optional settings, look for the button to create or generate your QR code. It might say generate, create QR code, or something similar. Click that, and the generator will instantly produce a QR code image based on your Calendly link. You should see the familiar square pattern appear on the screen. Most tools will then give you the option to download the code as an image file, such as PNG or JPEG. Choose the format you prefer and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated folder for marketing assets. Before you start sharing it widely, it's a good idea to test the QR code. Open the camera app or a QR scanning app on your phone, point it at the code on your screen, and make sure it takes you directly to your Calendly booking page. If it opens correctly, you're all set. You can now add this QR code to printed materials, presentations, or digital documents, making it incredibly simple for others to schedule time with you through Calendly.